A team can go from good to great when properly motivated. It's important to find positive, energetic team members within each department to fuel the excitement about March of Dimes and March for Babies. Have periodic fun days to sell candy or ice cream or anything that might make for a nice break in the day. But also it reminds people about the events. Use the fun, energetic group to walk around the buildings during these little fundraisers. And engage all departments and as many employees as possible in mission activities such as choosing a day that everyone wears purple or listening to a mission family speak. Send motivating emails, thanking everyone for sharing in your team's standings. And don't forget to send an email with information about all the exciting activities that your team will be participating in or hosting at the walk. Offer incentives and/or exciting friendly competitions between floors or departments with each other, like offer VIP parking or an extra day off or prizes to people or teams that reach certain milestones. Fundraising competitions are competitions like Best Department Team Name or Best Graphic Design for a t-shirt. Get the community involved. Go to some of the local businesses or vendors and see if they'll participate in some of your raffles or donating items to give towards baskets so that you can fundraise for your event. We asked local businesses for donations and created our gift baskets with those donations. And not only did it raise money for our event, but we also were able to meet our team's goals, which generated a lot of excitement and visibility towards our efforts. Make sure to send congratulatory emails to team members who reach their fundraising goals and send an email to your team bi-weekly highlighting the success of your team members and the team. Most important, keep the energy light, motivational, and exciting and have fun.